Being a star is the one thing that I've always wanted with all my heart, right? And men for me were secondary to that. And then late 20s came and I realized that, oh my God, 30 is around the corner. And I was like, we need to find a man now. A man must come. Do you understand? This man must come. I live in this society in the Western world where things are quite different, but this man must also do things the way that I was traditionally raised, things in a way that honors who I am as an African queen, as a self-respecting girl, as a girl that is so guarded, as a girl that wants to protect herself, as a girl who fears that they live alone in a foreign land and they don't want to look cheap. I don't want to look cheap. I don't want to look accessible. Do you understand? I don't want to look like I'm easy. I don't want to look like you want to take advantage of me because I'm here and I don't have family. So there were things that were so important, that was such a deal breaker to me. One of them being living together. Oh my God, let me tell you something. I don't care. I didn't care if my ancestors were sleeping, if my mother was seeing me, my father was seeing me, whoever raised me, whoever thinks I'm a good girl was seeing me or not. I just wasn't going to be the girl who's going to move in with a partner and live with someone. Because for me, that practice is attached to what? To my worth and my value as an African queen. My worth and my value is that you do not access me, you don't touch me, you don't get to be in my presence and have it all like that if you and I are not man and wife. We are not married. This is in my head. This is my boundary. This is my standard. And nobody could take that away from me, especially now being in this country where I don't even have a father or an uncle that's going to say, hey, don't play with my daughter like that. I feel the constant need to make sure that I'm the daughter who stands up for herself. Having lived with my partner for a couple of months, it was so brief, and then getting married. I thought for me that was wonderful. Like, you know what? You did the damn thing. You treated me the way that a queen should be treated. You went to my family respectfully and go ask for my hand in marriage. I did not get pregnant before we get married. As in, I'm a pure girl. You understand? Do you understand?